One bonus to getting out of work at 4:55 in the morning is that there's no traffic going south on the Garden State Parkway. Welcome in, everybody. We are having a wonderful evening, morning. I'm not entirely sure. The sun's not up, the rain's not falling, and there's literally no one in the 4 lanes of traffic that I currently have in front of me. It is Friday. It is October. It is August. It is August 30th. It is the end of the summer. The fact that there's no traffic here, I mean, also the fact that it's 5 in the morning, but really that means that the Bennies have gone home. That means that school is starting back up. That means that the weather is starting to chill. That's right. It is a very sultry 53 degrees right here in South Toms River Beechwood area as I pass the exit 80 on the Garden State Parkway. Ding, ding. So we're heading home, guys. I have to go back to work today at 4 p.m. It is, again, 5 a.m. I was supposed to be out at 2, but the guys that wash the floors, I guess they only brought 2 guys instead of 3. And now I'm enjoying this very weird feeling of being on the road and there's no one around. It means that there's definitely a cop in one of these little inside areas. But it's okay. I'm not doing anything illegal. I mean, I'm going a little fast, but we take our foot off the speed for a second, and bam, we're back into a 65 mile an hour, which is still 10 over the speed limit, but it's a respectable 10. It's not doing 80 and 55. That is actually quite common down here in the South. The speed limit being south of Jersey, that is. The speed limit being 55 on the Parkway. We tend to push it to 65, 70. And on a good day, you'll get us up to 80, 85. And then when you guys show up from the North Jersey that is, and also New York, we will tend to go up to 105 and 110 just so we can get the fuck away from y'all. I don't know, man. I personally find my statesmen very annoying. They're frustrating me in the driving modes. It's not great. They suck. We're almost as bad as Ohio, not quite as dangerous as Maryland. Apparently the 106 in California does give New Jersey a run for its money as far as aggressive drivers, but that's because the 106 is apparently 6 to 7 lanes, one direction, and it's a 2-lane highway. So, statistics being what it is, if you cut the lanes in half and you did it, we're probably still worse, because, as crazy as the Californians are, New Jersey's got its mean streak, and I mean, let's be real, the meme this summer, one of them was, I'm not angry, I'm Jersey. I mean, that says all it needs to say about the state. We are a blood sport to live in. So, yeah, if you're not from the lower Jersey area, the Jersey Shore area, unfortunately, I have to claim that as home, have for the last 25 years of my life. And really, aside from the fact that we get invaded every summer and every also warm weather holiday where you go to the beach, by the northern and also, let's not forget, the western shoobies of Pennsylvania. I love when they come in. They spend lots of money to keep my taxes lower than they already are, which really isn't saying much because our taxes in New Jersey are through the roof. I say a lot, and I'm fine with that. And that's because, well, I'm kind of just riffing as I go here. This isn't scripted. And it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm talking to stay awake at this point. I'm hoping I don't get pulled over by the state troopers because at this point, I'm just going to be honest. Officer, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'd rather be laying next to my smoking hot wife and having my dogs go, get up and let me out. Because when I walk in the house, that's exactly what's going to happen. I'm going to screw up their sleep schedule. All to get in good at work. Hey, focus up, motherfucker. Alright, just because the light went down doesn't mean you get to freaking do that shit. There we go. The camera's way too far away for you to be going out of focus over a little light bulb. So, we're pulling into my town in probably about 45 seconds because we just passed my town's rest stop, which I forget what it is. I think it's a Judy Bloom, but I know that's probably wrong because they've freaking give them names of famous people from New Jersey, and I don't get that. Yes, I'm yawning. Deal with it. If I made you yawn, well, guess what? I influenced you. You're welcome. I'm surprised to see there's absolutely no deer grazing on the side of the road because, well, that's a big thing in this area, especially this time of the year. Rutting season is about to start. Hunting season is about to be out there, and yeah, when I used to work at Wawa, this is the time of day when you'd have the buck hunters coming in, the fishermen coming in to load up so they can go out for the morning. They get out before sunrise. They come in crazy ass outfits, face paint, freaking. They get dolled up like they're going to a football game or something. I said, focus up. It's because the windshield's so dirty. Hey, thanks a lot, Easy Pass, for charging me $1.15 to get in my town, because it's worth it. You know what, guys? I think the rant needs to end here. I think you guys need to go and enjoy the rest of your day. I think I've taken enough of your time. Have a great day. I love you.